Hi everyone, we're looking at another Swiss Army knife. This is model Hercules. Let's open it up. This is just the instruction and the warranty. Okay, put it back in the box. Alright. So this one is the knife itself. It's large and it's thick because it comes with a bunch of tools. So let's look at them one by one here. The main one, of course, is the locking blade. This blade is more than 3 inches long. It's very useful. As you can see, this is a locking mechanism. So basically you press it down, like slide it down, then you can unlock the blade and close it like this. It's very useful. And the next one, we have the plier. Small plier with a wire cutter. This one is also very useful. Let's see if I can zoom in here. Okay. It's spring action. On the other side of the plier, we have the Phillips head screwdriver. And let's close those. Next one we have is wood saw. This one is quite long. It's more than 3 inches, so it's easy to use. After that, we have large scissors. I love the Swiss Army scissors because it's very useful. It's spring action. Okay. And on the other side, we have the small head Phillips screwdriver. This one, the length is very long, so it's easy to reach. Very easy to use. Okay. Close both. Then we have the standard can opener with a small flathead screwdriver. And of course on the other side is a very popular bottle opener with a larger flathead screwdriver and the wire stripper. Okay. After that we have the standard keyring, like all the other Swiss Army knives. And then we have the toothpick and very useful tweezers. Okay, let's secure them in there. In the back we have the corkscrew to open wines and or untied nut. Very useful. I love it. And we have the rimmer with a sewing eye in the middle. This is very useful knife. It's kind of heavy, but it has all the features I need as a Swiss Army knife, especially the plier. This one's very useful. It's not as strong as the Gerber's or a Swiss tool, but it's good to have it. Very useful. Thanks for watching. I'll have the item link below. Thank you.